Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial about how to create your own AI agent chat window. Just take a look how it will look at the end after this session of this tutorial what we are actually going to develop. So I have my chat window or AI agent window and it has a login credential. I have provided some login credential over here and that is very simple. I'm giving my name and I have a password, and if I click on login, it is getting logged in and it will take some time as it is running in my CPU. And as you can see, this is my AI agent and this is the UI, which is very simple. And if I type here, it will get me some response. Let's see. So as you can see, I typed hi and it is giving me a response just like ChatGPT and any other AI agents we are familiar with. And let's ask any other question, coding related question. Let's say what is DOM in JavaScript? Great. So this AI agent is giving me the response just like any other AI agent, and behind the scene for the creation of this behind the scene we are using Olama for this case, but you can go for any open AI, like you can go for like OpenAI or Google Gemini, anything, but those will come with a cost. So Olama is free of cost, so you can go for Olama. You can go to this Olama site, and if you are using Mac OS, you'll have to download through curl, and if you are using Windows have some other way to download that you can check for Windows system. But as I'm using Mac OS, so it is giving me the result how to install in Mac OS. So let's not talk anymore and let's get back to coding. But before we go to coding, I want to show like this is running in localhost, but the same thing can be hosted somewhere in Gradio.live. Yes, we are going to use Gradio for this kind of user interface what you have seen right now. So let's go to the coding. We'll see you in the next video.